One day, you're going to realize something. The money didn't matter. The titles didn't matter. The followers didn't matter. The applause didn't matter. And when that day comes, the only question that will matter is, what difference did I make while I was here?
We spend so much of our lives chasing success. More money, more recognition, more power, a bigger house, a better career. And there's nothing wrong with wanting to succeed. But here's the truth. Success tells people what you achieved. Impact tells them who you were.
Imagine your funeral. People probably won't remember how much money you made. They won't talk about the expensive things you owned. They'll remember the way you treated them. They'll remember who encouraged them when they wanted to give up, who believed in them when nobody else did, who showed kindness when it wasn't convenient, who made them feel seen. That's your legacy.
Because everything you own eventually becomes someone else's. Your car will belong to someone else. Your house will belong to someone else. Your money will be spent. Your trophies will gather dust. But the words you spoke, the kindness you showed, the lives you changed, those things can continue long after you're gone. You don't need to be famous to make an impact. You don't need millions of followers. You don't need to change the entire world. Maybe your impact is raising a child with love. Maybe it's helping a stranger. Maybe it's listening to a friend who is struggling. Maybe it's giving someone one reason not to give up. Never underestimate the power of a small act of kindness. You may forget it tomorrow, but someone else may remember it for the rest of their life. Life has a strange way of reflecting who we are. And one day, your story will end. The question isn't whether you were perfect. You weren't. None of us are. The question is, did the world become a little better because you were in it? Did someone feel loved because of you? Did someone become stronger because you believed in them? Did someone find hope because you showed up? When you were born, you cried, while the world around you celebrated. So live in such a way that when your final day comes, the world cries because you're leaving, while your soul smiles because you truly lived. Don't just chase success. Make an impact. Because your greatest legacy isn't what you leave behind. It's who you leave better than you found them. Don't just exist. Make a difference. Who made the biggest impact on your life? Tell us their name in the comments.